Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, my today's video is very short and very quick, but in this video you will be going to see top 15 very easy, very trendy and easy to make only lazy daisy stitch based hand embroidery patterns that how every beginner can make his or her own mask with the help of or with the art of hand embroidery. Yes friends, if you really like these designs, then kindly do try these patterns. These patterns are only a 20 to 25 minutes focused attention based effort of every hand embroidery beginners. So friends, I hope you like the designs and you will surely try these patterns of very easy, trendy and stylish handmade, hand embroidered lazy daisy face mask design patterns. So friends, see you soon with latest trendy and easy new collection. Up till then, take care of yourselves and your loved ones, and remember, be in your prayers. And don't forget to like this video, comment below this video and share with this video with your friends and family. See you soon with new ideas. Thank you so much for watching my content.